Well, okay. I gotta sew this cat face on here. It's gonna be a bit tricky, but I have to get it done. I'm gonna start down here at the bottom. Right down here at the very bottom on the edge. Very edge of it. And get my foot pedal over here. Okay. Let me scoot that over just a bit. Okay, I got it. Let me turn this to the right side. I've got it on number 8. Well, I can't even get my foot on that foot feet very good now. Let me cut that little thread off right there so it'll be out of the way. I hope this looks okay and not too terribly bad. I embroidered the face features with black. I thought about doing it with white because, you know, this being Christmas material would have red and green and white. But I don't know. I just went ahead and did it this way. I gotta sew it right above that nose, right there. Trying not to miss the cloth. Now I can take this pin out. Back stitch now and then, just for good measure. I can take this pin out now. Okay. There it is. Oh, I did a bunch of hand sewing on this today. Wasn't easy. It was time consuming for sure. But here's the face. As far as that goes. Got to put the eyes on it. But this is puffy right here. I don't know if you can tell, it's puffy. I put 2 layers of this stuff underneath the mouth and nose part. This stuff here, I doubled it over and put 2 layers of that to puff it a little bit. So now I got to sew the eyes on and then sew the head together. I've got the body finished. I've got the body all finished. So now I just got to sew the front and the back together and hot glue it onto the cat body. And I think I'm going to make a ribbon to put around the tail or somewhere. Maybe around the neck, who knows. A ribbon on it, because this is a Christmas cat. Okay, I'll get back at y'all later. Bye.